Alright, see for now for me mo bibi akwa ba sa cheche bibi abiem e de ba enkasa TV so ebusia for update a ye ba abeto ye na so ene se electoral commission Jane na mensa ena chese ebusia for me no kasa die NDC amane ku no ye nyina ni so mo pese mo yi ni to ase akonya de omo so de e ba be show na me no kasa die ukopie wo ni fie a security a kyerɛ ɔmo hwɛ no so anaasɛ ɔmo bɔ ne ho ban afiri nipa bɔnefoɔ bi a kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo tumi ba abɛto ahyɛ no so anaasɛ ɔkɔ declare election bi kyerɛ sɛ obi wɔ hɔ a ankɔ yie ama no nti ebetumi aba ne sɛ nipa no ɔde abufuhyew anaasɛ obetumi de nipa bɔnefoɔ bi akɔ so wɔ ne fie na abɛtɔ abɔnten sɛ maame yi wokɔpie mu no ne fie yɛaredraw security a kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo hwɛ no so na ɔmo redraw saa security yi firi ne fie a ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ NDC amanyɔkuo no na ɛdi saa bɔne yi na mɛpɛ sɛ yɛkɔ akɔtie update no yie paa kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa gye nana mensa electoral commission wokɔpie mu wɔ ne fie wɔ Labone a ɛna kyerɛ sɛ asɛm wei aba abɛtɔ abɔnten sɛ yɛaredraw security anaasɛ soldiers a kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo wɛn no yɛyi ɔmo nyinaa afiri ne fie hɔ. Ɔmo nkɔtie nsɛm mu nkyɛmu yie paa. Aha yɛ Nkasa TV. Subscribe to my channel, like it. For adwenkyɛ gu comment section hɔ kamakama.
Parliament last 2-3 weeks. Electoral Commission for by Parliament. Ye call into a black kumasem. Ye bisa specifically say inti mobile run off ana. Catch say run off na omo all the documents omo here dey coalition. Problem omo wo security. Inti Ghana Police Service provide them with security. No munye coalition with the results are omo. Me nka asem high many. Ghana ni bi oka no kore sofo bia oka no kore wo krom ha sei. Utiefo bi oka no krom ha sei nyina yete wo yasom. Se isi say omo hia run off. No omo won krata ni na de omo hia security. Nti wo beka ya ye no omo hia wie no. Dom kumafo ye state walk from Parliament House all the way to police headquarters to present a petition said so omo provide security ma easy na easy nya coalition no. Eba ne sen na watwi mienu ntam isi kona ono abetena parliament say o won krata ni na mom de ohia security no ene de wasesa na no say I just okoye rerun e 19 polling stations. Eba ne sen abana so bi ka kire me say ohun say nse bi hye akire a ehunehuna etrantram isi so munye sa de we a na sa nipa kono nka no kore
na chese manipulation to be fra ban hoko isi ho
na de ekoso and hwe say obekaya just after sa incident no NDC chairman ye receive nketia oko grant interview ono aka na no mpin so ono de isi keka no oti ase anye den enye yi no ono de osusu say o say isi koye den ekoye run off and say isi ko rerun election in some of the polling stations it is isi about parliament about the council ohia so obeye rerun ma ye die na de ohia security ma ye die akire petition for security among na NDC chairman be catch so on the oti ase enye ye just o mko ye rerun na be 1 week later isi na dan ne ho be catch say just o ko ye rerun asem we ye nko agina nsa na ye bua
na se police for amomo se ye de nko o so
na NDC for IGP fufura om de na be ontumi mom security adentia me nye police ni wo nye police ni omo no omo ye police for mpanimfo omo tumi chi friend saying chairman untumi gbe oni ache oni ama bill be ya here omo na tumi ni kura omo tumi na ti o aba ya to awi a ye wo pink sheets ye ko gina dan ba ku mu na ya quality 1+1+1+1+1 the here ni security Ghana Police Service force omo tumi provide security ma Emma Kromha Bishop for a cobom pie and Rose and then some Muti Kroma say, my Ghana Police Force say, or want to mean provide security for one coalition center.
That order rerun duly conducted by the Electoral Commission.
He expressed his disagreement in a civil way. Today, we have our colleague Akurugu in with us because EC used tally cards to complete the collation process.
Well, we have details coming up on Top Story, shortly brought to you by Telecel Connecting Energies.
Go back to the good people of this country that we are abolishing everything. It will not be good for our democracy. It will not be good for our democracy. Thank you. So let's allow the process to continue. Thank you.
But the commission earlier and later deviated from this particular position and decided to conduct a rerun in 19 polling stations in the constituency. This has obviously not gone down well with the minority, and they are demanding that the EC leadership is hauled before the House to come and answer questions. Now, making remarks on the floor, Minority Leader Alexander Felmarkin alleged that it appears that the EC leadership have caved into threats of removal and are now prioritizing their jobs over the country's democracy.
The Deputy Chair, Dr. Bosman, sitting in for his boss, told us that all they need is security to enable them finish the 3 polling stations. I ask a question: what has changed? Mr. Speaker, we should be careful as a democracy how we are managing this democracy. Mr. Speaker, today we have a member in this chamber from Domi Kwabenya because when it was left with some few polling stations, EC relied on tally cards. Aden Michael Kwe Jr. onu di onye nipa onye Ghanini. Michael Kwe Jr. protested, but he did not protest with violence. He did not carry his constituents to the EC Collation Center. He expressed his disagreement in a civil way. Today, we have our colleague Akurugu in with us because EC used tally cards to complete the collation process. And when it is clear that the EC was on course to complete this process, we are being told today that there's going to be rerun of some constituencies. It is unfair, it is unjust. Is it a case, and I don't want to believe that that is the case, that the recent public comment by some senior politicians is what is compelling EC perhaps to secure their job? They want to succumb to the whims and caprices of certain extremists or certain hardliners. It is not fair. Maybe today this thing it is helping some other people. Tomorrow it may be their turn.
So that's the minority leader.
Anamboko to Konkroma, a ranking member, Economic and Development Committee. We more wait till Ablikuma North constituency. Dear Koso EC in Krataba. As July 11th, or more rerun 19 polling stations elections nibium. Edna material haruna anopemene mame na kwia usu afrie akasa with emotions pa tum so di yawo na masan so ne rab na obina kasa yenim the EC